Hello friends, welcome to Dhamma Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this session, we'll start our biology NEET course. So frequently asked questions and multiple choice questions. So we are covering biology here. So what is the concept here is pollution of air. So pollution of air. So what is the first question? What is the important resources for human survival? If humankind humankind we have to continue means what is the major resources. First one is air, water, and both 1 and 2 and none. So we know that is air and water both are crucial elements in human life. So let's select third one, that is both 1 and 2. Next, second question: the two main gases present in air. Two main gases. First one is nitrogen, oxygen, both 1 and 2 and none. So we know that it is around more than 70% nitrogen and oxygen more than 20%. So major gases are, so select both 1 and 2, that is nitrogen and oxygen both will be presented. Next one. Third question. So here third question is, what is that? Fresh water is present in the form of, so first option, ponds, streams, lakes, and all of them. So in ponds, fresh water will be there in ponds, streams, lakes, all of them. Oceans is not a fresh water. Next one. What is the percentile of nitrogen in air? So what is the percentile? First option 78%, next 79%, 80%, and 81%. That is fourth one, we know that is 78% presented nitrogen present in the air. Next, fifth one. What is the percentile of oxygen in air? So what is the percentile of oxygen? So in air, we are already told nitrogen and oxygen are the main gases present in the air. So here oxygen will be first option 20, next 21, and 22, 23. So according to sequence that given, fifth one we know that is 21% of oxygen present in air. Air contains how much amount of carbon dioxide, argon, water vapor? So first up, small, medium, highest, and less. So we know that it is contains small amount of carbon dioxide, argon, water vapor. Next, seventh question. What is pure air? Choose correct option. Nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, all of them. So seventh question, we know that is pure air will be presented contained with these all elements. Next one. What is pollution? Choose the correct option. Presence of poisonous materials, toxic materials, unwanted materials, all of them. So eighth question we know that is all of them. Here all will be, choose the correct option, that is what is pollution? So pollution means it will contain all of these things. Next, ninth question. Sources of air pollution, pick out correct option. So from where it will be, so air will polluted from all of these elements. We will see which elements are major one. Carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen, and argon. So if it is need to air pollution, so carbon dioxide will be presented in air and nitrogen, argon, everything will be present. That is air. But carbon monoxide will be present means it will going to pollute air. Carbon monoxide should be not there. Next one. What are the harmful effects of air pollution? First one, acid rain, greenhouse effect, global warming, and all of them. So what is this? What are the harmful effects of air pollution? Acid rain, greenhouse effect, global warming, and all of them. So 10th one we know that is all of them. So harmful effects of air pollution. If it is air pollution will happen, these are the things. Next one, 11th one. Identify correct option about air pollution. Change of pH of air, entry of toxins, entry of automobile waste, and all of them. So 11th one we know that is identify correct air pollution, entry of pH of air, change of pH of air, entry of toxins, everything, all of them. Next, Chlorofluorocarbons in refrigerators results in harmful release of UV rays, X rays, sigma rays and alpha rays. So 12th one we know that is chlorofluorocarbons in respirator, harmful release of 12th one we know that is UV rays. Next question. The cause of decay of organic matter releases ammonia gas and natural decay, sulfur dioxide, fly ash. So SY2 you can call it as sulfur dioxide. So 13th one we know that is release of ammonium gas, that is NH3 gas. Next question. Choose the option related to human activities from domestic source. First one, smoke emitted by burning of fuels, burning of wood, cow dung cakes, all of them. So 14th one is all of them. This is the thing. Next question. So let's take 15th one. Find out example for exhaust gases emitted by automobiles. So nitrogen oxide, H3PO4, hydrogen permanganate, H2SO4 sulfuric acid, UV rays. So 15th one we know that is nitrogen oxide. Next one. Find out industrial waste from following. Nitrogen dioxide, carbon dioxide, unburnt hydrocarbons, all of them. So all of them. Examples for thermal power plant waste. Air dust, sulfur dioxide, both 1 and 2, and none of this. So 17th one it is both 1 and 2. Air dust and sulfur dioxide. Find out extreme effects of air pollution. High BP, cardiovascular, both 1 and 2, and none of this. So 18th one is both 1 and 2. Next one. The presence of smoke in air causes following effects in our body. Heart related, lungs related, both 1 and 2, and kidneys related. So 19th one both 1 and 2. Next 20th one. Fly ash, smoke, suspended particulate of matter, chlorofluorocarbons. Next one, skin cancer and cataract, allergic reactions and bronchitis, lungs and respiratory diseases, irritations in eyes, nose, skin, nose. So fly ash will be taken here. Fly ash means irritates, option D, irritations in eyes, nose and skin. Not nose again, irritations will come. Smoke means smoke means lungs related and lungs, respiratory diseases. Next, third one, suspended particulate of matter, that is allergic reactions, bronchitis, and chlorofluorocarbons, skin cancer and cataract. So you can go with the DCBA, right? Fourth option. If you like the video, please like it. Try to share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.